Surfer SEO versus Yoast SEO. Which AI tool has more powerful SEO capabilities? This is a question many content creators, marketers, and website owners ask when they're looking to supercharge their SEO strategy. Both tools offer strong features, but which one truly stands out in terms of performance? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which one fits your needs and what could be a better alternative for even more powerful results. First off, let's talk about Surfer SEO. This tool is known for its data-driven, research-backed approach to content optimization. Surfer's strength lies in its ability to analyze over 500 factors that influence your page ranking. It uses AI to give you a detailed breakdown of what needs to be improved in your content to rank higher, covering keyword density, backlinks, structure, and more. So, if you want a comprehensive guide for content optimization, Surfer SEO is a strong contender. Next thing, we have Yoast SEO. Now, Yoast is one of the most popular SEO plugins for WordPress. It's well known for its easy-to-use interface and its ability to quickly optimize on-page SEO. Unlike Surfer, Yoast focuses more on content readability and basic keyword optimization. It does an excellent job guiding you on how to write content that's SEO-friendly with tips on meta tags, title optimization, and readability scores. However, it doesn't provide as much data analysis or deep insights as Surfer SEO, which can be limiting for more advanced users. The third thing to consider is Surfer's ability to generate content briefs. This feature saves a lot of time by suggesting relevant topics, keywords, and structure, allowing you to write content that's not only optimized, but also tailored for ranking. If you're working in niches where high competition exists, Surfer SEO's data-driven approach can help you gain that competitive edge. It even tracks your rankings, which is useful for adjusting strategies on the fly. The fourth thing about Yoast SEO is that while it offers some helpful tools, it's largely built around helping beginners or intermediate users. The paid version does add a bit more functionality, like internal linking suggestions and content insights, but in terms of raw power, it doesn't match Surfer's advanced AI-driven analytics. Yoast is a great starter tool, but it may fall short if you need to scale or compete in high-traffic markets. Another thing worth mentioning is Surfer SEO's ability to audit your website. The tool offers an in-depth audit feature, helping you spot SEO issues that you may not even be aware of. It'll analyze everything from site speed to content quality, backlinks, and keyword optimization. For a comprehensive SEO health check, this tool truly excels, giving you a roadmap for improvement. Yoast, on the other hand, is more straightforward. It helps you optimize individual posts and pages, but doesn't go deep into overall site audits. While it's still powerful for on-page SEO, it lacks the advanced features that might be necessary for larger websites or competitive niches. This is where Surfer SEO's broader capabilities make it stand out. Both Surfer SEO and Yoast offer useful functionalities, but in my experience, Surfer SEO's advanced AI capabilities offer a more robust approach for long-term SEO success. However, even with Surfer SEO's power, there are other alternatives worth considering if you want an even more tailored solution. If you're looking for something that combines the best of both tools, powerful AI capabilities with an easy-to-use interface, then I highly recommend checking out the free trial through the first link in the description. I've tested a lot of tools, and this one provides an optimized experience that's better than Surfer SEO or Yoast for the goal of advanced, ongoing SEO improvements. So, if you're serious about scaling your SEO game and want exclusive benefits, grab the free trial linked below. You'll get access to features that go beyond what Surfer SEO and Yoast SEO offer, giving you the competitive edge you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that link to unlock a better SEO tool today.